Hi everyone, welcome to EcoGlitz. Let's start with today's top tech news. Microsoft's collaboration to simulate brain reasoning. Microsoft has partnered with Swiss startup Innate to develop an advanced AI model that emulates mammalian brain cognitive abilities. This technology learns from real world experiences, moving beyond traditional data based AI models with potential applications in financial trading and robotics. Europol warns of AI driven crime threats. Europol has issued a warning about the growing threats posed by AI driven crime. Organized crime gangs are leveraging advanced technologies to enhance their global operations, using AI to craft multilingual messages, create realistic impersonations, and automate process, complicating detection efforts. The agency also highlights the potential for fully autonomous AI controlled criminal networks in the future. Nvidia to reveal details of latest AI chip. Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang is expected to disclose more information about the company's latest AI chip, potentially named Rubin, at the annual Software Developer Conference. This chip is anticipated to feature a suite of components optimized for AI training in extensive data centers, underscoring NVIDIA's pivotal role in the rise of advanced AI systems. Apple faces challenges with AI enhancements. Apple is experiencing delays in rolling out significant AI enhancements to its Siri voice assistant, which were expected to be part of the new iOS update. This setback has affected the company's stock, raising concerns about Apple's ability to accelerate iPhone upgrade rates and maintain its competitive edge in the AI space. Tencent expands AI initiatives with open source tools. Tencent is broadening its AI initiatives by releasing open source 3D generation tools, aiming to foster innovation and collaboration in the AI community. This move reflects the company's commitment to advancing AI research and development. Now let's dive into today's topic. Are you working 8 to 10 hours a day, putting in all your effort and skills just to get things done? Even though tired and stressed, the work must go on. Deadlines are approaching, and there's no choice but to keep pushing. Sleep is lost, energy is fading, but the goal is clear: finish what was started. The mind is exhausted, but the thought of leaving things incomplete feels worse. No matter how difficult, the effort continues because giving up is not an option for you. What if I tell you that you could open your laptop in the morning, close it in the evening, and still get all your work done? A few simple inputs can set the work in motion, allowing the laptop to handle tasks automatically. Instead of manually working for hours, automation takes over, completing the job while the system stays on. This saves time, reduces effort, and ensures the work gets done without constant supervision. Let it be a complex coding or process creation, or following a process. The automation does all for you. Imagine you are sipping your coffee, relaxing, and just watching your tasks complete themselves without you even lifting a finger. Sounds impossible, right? But that's the power of automation. In this course, I'll take you through Power Automate from scratch, breaking down every step with real-world scenarios. Now let's start our new journey of learnings. Whether you're a developer, HR, salesperson, marketer, data entry operator, project manager, analyst, accountant, customer support agent, recruiter, administrator, consultant, IT support engineer, business owner, teacher, or freelancer, you can automate 60 to 80% of your daily tasks. Why to waste time on manual effort? when automation can do it for you. From simple copy paste tasks to complex workflows and robotic decision making, Power Automate puts everything on autopilot, bringing pure efficiency to your work. And here's the real game changer. With just 1 week of effort, you can automate tasks that will save you an entire year's worth of manual work. But this is just the beginning. Automation has endless possibilities, and I'll be covering multiple real-world use cases in a series of videos. Stay tuned, follow along, and let's step into the future where work is faster, smarter, and completely effortless with Power Automate. Power Automate is designed to automate repetitive tasks and complex workflows that take up 60 to 80% of your daily work. The best part? You don't need to know how to code. Power Automate is a no-code tool by Microsoft, just like PowerPoint helps with presentations or Excel handles spreadsheets or Word handles documents. It is as simple as that. With Power Automate, you can automate simple tasks like creating a ticket when an email arrives or handling complex workflows involving multiple steps, conditions, and app integrations like Excel, Teams, or Outlook. Also advanced apps like Jira, Trello, etc. The key features include a visual workflow designer that lets you create automation flows without coding, connectors that integrate with thousands of apps effortlessly, and a built-in infrastructure that handles execution, logging, and permissions automatically. With AI-powered automation, even decision-based and creative tasks can now be automated. Automation ensures accuracy, saves time, and reduces manual effort. You can achieve better results without worrying about mistakes. Whether you need to automate approvals, emails, task assignments, or entire business processes, Power Automate provides an easy, powerful solution to boost productivity like never before. Now, let's talk about how you can get access to Power Automate. The easiest way to check if you already have access is by heading over to office.com and logging in with your work or school account. Click the App Launcher grid icon and look for Power Automate. If it's not there, click More Apps and then All Apps to find it. If you still don't see it, there are two possible reasons. Either your organization hasn't given you a license, in which case you should contact your IT team, or you have a license but there is no permissions, so you may need to ask your manager or IT team for access if you don't have access through your organization. Don't worry. You can go to Google, search for Power Automate, and click on the official Microsoft link to choose Start Free or Buy Now. However, keep in mind that some countries don't offer free trials, so you might need to buy a license. Solve the puzzle to confirm that you are human. Upon completing the verification, it is time to give details about email ID. You can provide your work email ID. Also, Microsoft doesn't allow sign-ups using personal emails like Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook. If you don't have work email ID, no problem, we have temporary workaround to create a temp email. It is quite simple, which I will show now. As a temporary workaround, you can use a temporary email service like TempMail to generate a work style email and sign up for a trial. It will take some time to generate the temp email. Once created, you can copy and paste. But remember, this is not a permanent solution. Microsoft can block these emails anytime. Fill in the details in the form. Create a password and confirm the password. You should have received the verification code under temp email inbox. I have generated code twice, so I received 2 codes. I am copying and pasting the latest one. It's your choice to check that box. Once done, simply click Next, and the process will continue automatically. It is done now. I will click on Get Started, and it will take me to log in with email ID. Upon click on that, it goes to page Action Required, where Microsoft Authentication needs to be added for security purpose. Microsoft Authenticator is a security app that provides two-factor authentication for signing into accounts. Once you have signed up, go back to office.com. Click Power Automate. If you see the dashboard, you're all set. Now let's get a brief understanding about Power Automate dashboard. Click on Create, you will get options Automated Cloud Flow, Instant Cloud Flow, Scheduled Cloud Flow, Desktop Flow, and Process Mining. Under Templates, you will have collection of templates which will be ready to use. You can automate like save outlook.com email attachments to your OneDrive, attachments from your Dropbox, sync with Google Drive, get reminders of outlook.com email, get notification on uploaded to OneDrive. Similarly, many templates which makes your work automated. My flows, all the flows created by you are listed over here. Approvals, solutions, process mining, etc. All features streamline workflows better. All will be covered in upcoming videos. Stay tuned as we dive deep into these tools. The next video will be about automated cloud flow, explaining how it works and how it benefits you. If you face any issues, drop a comment below and we are here to help you. As I continue creating more videos, I want to make sure I cover the most time-consuming tasks that matter to you. So tell me in the comments, what repetitive process do you need help automating? I'll prioritize the most requested topics in upcoming videos and guide you step by step. Why waste time on repetitive work? Let's automate it together. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Power Automate tips. See you in the next one.